Now is you down with it? Yeah, cause I'm a clown with it. Ay, I ain't never sold a guy to Chevrolet with a Ferrari motor. Tell me how the fuck the police gon' catch me and pull me over. How to pull me over? Tell me how the fuck the police gon' catch me and pull me over. 1971, purple dunk, I'm falling slow. Said I couldn't fit them over, bitch, I'm on the 34. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the 34. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the 34. I just drunk up all the lean, riding with 1,000 screens. She done swallowed all the beans, now she wanna fuck the team. Put them off on everything, riding in my Chevy thing. Marble flows up in my drop, polo rag in the top. Haters always try to plot, but they can't make the money stop. Bam, bam, and Betty Rock, heating up the parking lot. I can hop up out the drop and bag it up with auto park. Started up with auto start, I just love her body parts. Swag 100, my drop 160, my motor 350. How the fuck they gon' get me? Ferrari red Chevy motor, police tryna pull me over. How to run away and go and hop off in my Range Rover. I ain't never sold a guy to Chevrolet with a Ferrari motor. Tell me how the fuck the police gon' catch me and pull me over. Catch me and pull me over. Tell me how the fuck the police gon' catch me and pull me over. 1971, purple dunk, I'm falling slow. Said I couldn't fit them over, bitch, I'm on the 34. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the 34. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the 34.
If you got a motherfucking question, nigga, ask me. Throw some D's on that motherfucker with them laxy. Running through these hoes like a motherfucking track meet. Full-time trapper, getting money like these athletes. Swerving through the hood with that pistol right up on the seat. Not to mention the one I got hanging out my fucking knee. Y'all niggas lame to me, better have more aim than me. Leave my own hood, say I'm too good for BET. Hit you in your motherfucking head with that TC. I'm knocking nigga tops off, round that bit like DDP. What you seen that Chevy? Yeah, that bitch ready. The police can't even catch me. Boy, that over 70. Pipe sound heavy. Yo shit looking raggedy. Need water like McGrady. So pussy nigga quit hating. I told y'all motherfuckers I was gon' cop them off the pavement.
I ain't never sold a guy to Chevrolet with a Ferrari motor. Tell me how the fuck the police gon' catch me and pull me over. Catch me and pull me over. Tell me how the fuck the police gon' catch me and pull me over. 1971, purple dunk, I'm falling slow. Said I couldn't fit them over, bitch, I'm on the 34. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the 34. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the 34.
Bitch, I'm riding up 90, blowing on the crying. 6x9 so loud, sound like a choir sitting behind me. I hit the ATT when I see all them police lying. Cause I ain't trying to see them lights, and I ain't trying to hit them sirens. Gripping on the wood, crazy horse, my co-pilot, Versace frames, new J's, got me cleaner than some ivory. A lot of niggas doubt this shit, hell yeah they doubt this shit. My brother rides so tall, I need a parachute to get out that bitch. About a bitch, I down the bitch. Paint so wet, I drown the bitch. I found my niche, I'm too legit to quit. Call me Hammer, bitch. Chevrolet on 26, Young James control the whip, hoeing up before, and I'm high in the sun.
I ain't never sold a guy to Chevrolet with a Ferrari motor. Tell me how the fuck the police gon' catch me and pull me over. Catch me and pull me over. Tell me how the fuck the police gon' catch me and pull me over. 1971, purple dunk, I'm falling slow. Said I couldn't fit them over, bitch, I'm on the 34. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the 34. Yeah, bitch, I'm on the
See me and Gucci? The streets been good to us.
Gangsta grill, gangsta bastards.
I think that's why it's so hard for us to leave. I mean, who else gonna take care of you? Come on, man. Ferrari music, nigga.
Gangsta Brazil.
It ain't no love in this city, shit. This industry so finicky. I'd rather fuck a script. And I'm thugging in the club, in the hood, in the mall, anywhere. I do not want to be loud. It's too emotional. It's business, never personal. I could've squad like mine, you can't find it. Don't mind it, you been blinded. Looking for a squad like mine, you can't find it. Don't mind it, you been blinded. Looking for a squad like mine, you can't find it. Quarter brick, half a brick, whole brick, yay. Brick squad, records go hard in the paint. Had my shirt off just like Woo the Kid. Ain't nothing changed, Brick squad the shit. Came out ripping straight, drop outside myself, now Gucci rich. Heavy guns, you're rolling blue 200K on promotion. Funny thing about it, did it all in just 1 weekend. Gucci, homie wanna be a soldier, but the books are closing. On feet up in my office, hit the button, curtains open. So you can keep your love, baby, bust that pussy open. Cause I'm the king of diamond, East Atlanta, I'm their spokesman. I'm boasting, taking pictures, posing, smoking like a locomotive. You got searched in South Dakota, touchdown with 100 soldiers. Taking cola, taking over, should be in the rock and roller Hall of Fame. Is Gucci, man, my chain is colder, bipolar. It ain't no love in this city, shit, this industry so finicky. I'd rather fuck a script to be loud. And I'm thugging in the club, in the hood, in the mall, anywhere. I do not want to be loud. It's too emotional, it's business, never personal. I could've went commercial, but that's not what I does. You need a hug, little nigga, you a scroll, little nigga. I'm a shooter, I don't want to. These hoes don't love me, they tryna fool me. You cannot trick me, you love my timepiece. Gucci, man, I love you, I really love me. That's why I'm buying diamonds, my flow is that sweet. Gucci, man, is so street, I love South Beach. Shout out to Wycliffe, I love Haiti. Shout out to Bun B, we miss Pimp C. I love A-Ball MJG, fuck niggas hate me, I fuck with Bert the long way. Big ups to Master P, these lanes ain't gotta like me, or come and hug me. White girl with me, snoring off her car keys. I'm back, bitch, yeah, I'm back, bitch. Did you miss me? Or miss my raps, bitch? I'm writing history, I'm writing history. You niggas OV, y'all ancient history. Scoochie. It ain't no love in this city, shit, this industry so finicky. I'd rather fuck a script to be loud. And I'm thugging in the club, in the hood, in the mall, anywhere. I do not want to be loud. It's too emotional, it's business, never personal. I could've went commercial, but that's not